Hi, we're at the Ventana Big Sur and all-inclusive Alila Resort, and this is our room tour. Off to the left, when you walk in, there is an espresso machine and counter area. In the middle, we have our living room area, and to the right, our bed. Off to the left, we have our bathroom, which has a double vanity and a very nice big mirror. Off to the left, we have a separate room for the toilet, which is nice for privacy purposes. And next to that, we have a little window for saying hi to bypassers. Some storage. And this hotel knows their audience well. They know we like little slippers. Off to the side. Oh, hi. We have a very nice bathtub, fully equipped with little towels, bath salt, and a little scrubber. Beside that, we have a rainfall shower, which is a nice touch. And outside, our bathroom leads to our private balcony, which has a private jacuzzi. And from our private balcony, we have this nice view of the hillside or countryside. As far as the rest of our private balcony, oh, hi again.
Hi.
We have some eating furniture, lounge chairs, and this nice cheese. From our private balcony, we can re-enter into our living room area, which looks like that. It has a little fireplace off underneath the TV, which is nice. Nice big bed. And on the side of the bed, we have a tablet. It's mainly for ordering room service and any other services. This is in addition during COVID because contactless service is important. Anyways, that is our room. Thank you for joining us.